Hi kids! Welcome to Little Tooth YouTube channel.
A. A for apple. B. B for book. C. C for cake. D. D for donkey. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goose. H. H for hat. I for iguana. J. J for jeep. K. K for kid. L. L for lamp. M for man. N for noodles. O for octopus. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rat. S for shoe. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for water. X for Xmas. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for more videos.